Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, if you can't tell by the title, we're going to be doing our first Halloween look. Now, I'm probably only going to be filming like 2, maybe 3 Halloween looks. Yeah, I'm not going to be doing like a lot of them because a lot of them I want to do off camera, that kind of thing. But I thought we would start off, and I thought we would start off with like a nice kind of one. I wanted to do more of like an easy-ish kind of one, and then one that's a little bit more on the difficult side. So I thought that's what we would do today. So yes, today I'm actually going to be taking inspiration from a girl on Instagram. Her name's McDrew. I think that's how you say it. I'm real sorry if it's not. But I think it was last year she created this beautiful like look. I'll put it up on screen. So it's like red, you've got this like, she's got this red bit going on down here with a black lip, and then she's got bats on either side. The bats are going to be quite difficult for me to do, however I'm going to give them a go, and I'm going to try my best to do them. But yes, so I thought we would kind of recreate this look. I am super excited. So yeah, that's why I've already got my base on, because I thought it'd be easier if I've already got my base on. I can just go straight into the eyes, that kind of thing. So yes, we're gonna zoom in a little bit and we're gonna jump on to doing this look. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the volume 2 palette. And I'm gonna jump into, oh gosh, I'm gonna jump into the shade Heart On, which is this one right here. I don't know if this is going to be the right kind of red shade, however we're just gonna roll with it. We're just gonna roll with it. So I'm just gonna literally just pop this on. I think it might be a bit too, I don't know. I'm also gonna need to clean up the fallout, however it's fine for now. We'll just leave it as is. I am going to add like a black to this to create like, you know, because she's got black on hers. So yeah, just going to add this shade first. Just going to see. I don't know how people come up with these crazy ideas, like, yeah. But who is excited for Halloween? I'm still in September when I'm filming this. So I think I'm going to put this up in October, but yeah, like as of today, as I'm filming this, it is September the 17th. So we're still quite far away from actual Halloween, but yeah, I'm trying to get like as much content done as possible for this. So yeah, basically. I'm also dragging this underneath the eye, kind of. I am so shook to do this, and I don't really know why. Like, so shook. I'm literally just fading it a little bit underneath the eye, kind of. So yeah, just popping that on, like so. It looks a bit messy, I know, but it's fine. We will come back to it to kind of, you know, fade it, but yeah. I'm just going to take the same red shade on a bit more of a fluffy brush, but I'm going to mix it with this shade Certified, this one right here. So yeah, we're going to do that. Just so then can almost like blend it out a little bit, but it's not like too red, if that kind of makes sense. I do this with like quite a few shades. If there's not something that's similar in the palette, I'll just take it with like a creamy white shade. So then it almost like blends out by itself, but it's not as harsh. So it's the same kind of tone, but it's just not as harsh. If that kind of makes, I hope that makes sense, but yeah. Okay, it looks a bit rough, I know, don't worry. I'm just going to take a little bit of like a powder, just like a translucent powder, on a fluffy like brush almost. just to like wipe some of that red away that's like underneath my eyes and also on my nose, which I can't get off now. That's annoying. Get off. Yeah, and then I'm going to go back into the same brush I'd literally just using again and dab into the red and the cream shade. Take some more of that. Blend it a little bit more underneath the eyes. I'm going to keep taking that red shade down, because she's got it quite far down, like quite like almost like where she puts a highlighter. So I'm just going to keep taking that, blending it, trying to make it look as like seamless as possible. It's looking a little bit patchy at the minute, but I'm hoping we'll be fine. I'm hoping. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the black in the palette, which is Temptress, this one here. So did I even tell you that I use certified? I don't remember if I did or not, but yeah. I'm going to take the Temptress shade, and I'm also going to basically make like a wing effect with this. Not too bothered about it being like completely perfect, because it doesn't have to be. It's literally just, I'm going to be blending it out anyway. And then I'm also going to put some on the lower lash line as well. Again, it doesn't have to be, it literally doesn't have to be perfect. It's literally just because I'm going to be blending this out. This black is actually quite pigmented. I don't think I've ever used this black before, but it's actually quite pigmented. Wow. Then I'm going to take just a fluffy, small pencil fluffy brush and take a tiny bit more of the black shade. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to like blend this out a little bit with itself. I want it to be quite grungy because hers is quite grungy. So yeah, I maybe went a bit thick on the line, but it's, and doing the same on the lower lash line. I'm also going to be putting a bit of black liner on the waterline. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and take that red shade again. I'm just going to like blend it over like the liner, kind of. Just then it's like not as harsh, almost. It's quite a cool kind of look. Definitely not used to what like I tend to go for, so it's quite cool that it's a bit different. Temptress is like glossy on the lid. I don't know whether I want to go glossy or not, but yeah. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to do this out of camera, try and make them even. I'll also do my lashes and stuff off camera as well. And then we'll move on to the like bat, which I'm kind of nervous for, and then the lips as well. I need to perfect this a little bit because it's just not the best looking thing that I've ever done in my life. So I'm just going to go ahead and perfect this off camera. I think I've also kind of taken it a little bit too far underneath the eye area, so I'm just going to go ahead and fix that up a little bit, and yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so I've just quickly gone ahead and I've done my eyes. I've also done the bat on this side, so then I can kind of see what exactly is going on. So just before I carry on, I did go in with like a gloss on the lid, but I used the one from the Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette. So I used the shade Slippery, which is this one here. So I put that on the lid a little bit. It's quite nice actually. I didn't want it to be too glossy, but I quite like it like this. I go in with on the lower lash line with a black eyeliner, so I just used the Makeup Obsession Shady Kohl eyeliner. For lashes, I went in with the Wicked Unicorn Cosmetics lashes. They're actually quite nice. I quite like them. They're very like fluffy, but yeah, we have them ones. Then for highlighter, or actually for blush, I'd go in with the Roxy Makeup Revolution palette, and I kind of mixed this one and this one together, just underneath. But I did go in with a little bit of the red eyeshadow as well, just to help it blend better. For the highlighter shade, I did go in with the ABH Dream palette, and I took the shade Unicorn, which is this one here. Mine's extremely dirty. And then I also did go in with the ABH loose highlighter in the shade Snowflake as well. So yeah, we have that. And then for the bat, I've just gone in with the Benefit roller liner. So I'm going to do the same on this side. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to take the highlighter shade first. I'm going to pop that on the cheek. I'm also going to take it on like other areas of my face as well. And then I'll go in with the Snowflake shade on top, kind of. The shade's actually really pretty. I don't know why I don't use this palette that often. I just kind of forget about it sometimes, to be honest. Then going to dip into the Snowflake loose highlighter. Take a little bit of this. I'm then going to take a small brush, if I can even find one, just by looking in my pot. Yep. And I'm going to take the same Snowflake shade. I'm going to pop this on my inner corner. Oh yeah, that's it. That's the one. Yeah, that is it. Bam. Love it. Love it. It's definitely coming together a little bit more now. Yeah, looks better. Okay. I had a little bit of a setback, a minor setback. So I started doing the bat on this eye. No, I just ruined it completely, pretty much. So yeah, the bat just kept getting bigger and bigger. This is the left side of my face. I'm not that great at drawing on the left side of my face, so we're just leaving it with the bat on the right side of the face now. I am so sorry. I'm actually so annoyed that I just couldn't do it. I'm not the best when it comes to drawing and stuff. I'm trying my hardest, but yes, this is what where we're at now, basically. So now we're going to move on to lips. So I'm going to go in with this is the Luna Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Wicked. I'm going to apply this to the lips. I actually really like this. This is really nice. I like this liquid lipstick. I don't own a lot of liquid lipsticks that are dark. This is the only black one that I actually own, and I love it. I love it. Having a black lip is so fun, but I only usually do it when it's like Halloween, that kind of thing. So this is like the lipstick that I use for Halloween. I definitely want to add like a glossed lips, but I just don't know what one. So I have this one from MORPHE. I don't even know if this is still available anymore. Not really one. I was going to use this, but I don't think it's what I'm looking for on my lips. Now, I do have a Luna Beauty gloss. This is in the shade Enchantment. I believe he launched this when he launched his, like, Moonspell palette, I think. I think this gloss might go better. It looks like this, got like hints of purple in it. Because I've got the pinky highlighter, I think that it will kind of still work well with it. So I'm just going to wait until my lips are dry, and then we're going to go in with this gloss, I think. So I'm just going to take quite a bit of this. This shade is gorgeous. Okay guys, so this is the finished Halloween look, my first one. Let me know what you guys think. I honestly feel like this video was a disaster. I want to say it's easy. Don't think it's that easy. I really don't. I really don't. But yeah, I suppose you could always do this without adding the bat. You don't need to add the bat. Or if you wanted to, you could add like a little spider on a web or something like that. You don't have to just do a bat. But yeah, I kind of wish that I hadn't done a bat this side. I wish I'd just like left it with this bat, because this bat actually looks quite cute. Yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. I honestly think that McDrew is it MC McDrew? I don't know how to say her name, but I think that she's just amazing at that kind of thing. I'm just not that great when it comes to being super creative / drawing, that kind of thing. I've never been great at it, so I try my best. But yeah, I am wanting to do another.
This other fly, would you just go away? You've been in my house for about 5 days. Leave.
So yeah, I'm wanting to do another look. I'm wanting to do a bit more of a fun look with like some fake blood, that kind of thing. So I will definitely try to do that. But yeah, this is the finished look for today. Please let me know what you guys think. Everything else I'm wearing on my face, I'll of course link in the description box down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!